In this video, you will learn how to make a Stomp and Catch board. Stomp and Catch boards launch bean bags and other soft objects in the air and are great for working on fundamental movement skills such as tracking and catching. To make a Stomp and Catch board, you will need a piece of plywood, a handsaw, a PVC pipe, a noodle, 2 to 3 rolls of duct tape, and a pair of scissors. Before you start, use the handsaw to cut the PVC pipe to the width of the board. You will also have to cut the noodle to the width of the board using scissors or the handsaw. To begin, cut the noodle lengthwise with scissors. Roll the noodle tightly and place it in the PVC pipe. This will help keep the PVC pipe from cracking over time and use. Place 2 rolls of duct tape on the board to measure out the placement of the PVC pipe. On either side of the pipe, place 2 small pieces of noodle to stabilize the PVC pipe. Remove the rolls of duct tape and secure the pieces to the board with longitudinal pieces of duct tape. Secure the duct tape with horizontal pieces of tape and place 2 cross-diagonal pieces of tape around the PVC pipe to increase its stability. Continue with taping along all the edges of the board. Do not press the tape down until you have gone around all the edges. Once you have tape around all the edges, press down the tape so that you fold one edge over the other and don't have any loose ends of duct tape. Place 2 small pieces of duct tape over each opening of the PVC pipe. The next step is to cover the board in duct tape. Choose any color of tape and begin with covering the board lengthwise, starting from the placement of the PVC pipe, continuing with 1 piece of tape all the way around the board and tape over the PVC pipe. Continue until the longer end of the board is covered with tape. Once covered, secure those pieces of tape with a horizontal piece of duct tape. The next step is to cover the smaller end of the board with tape. It's important to choose a different color of duct tape for this step. Once your board is complete, it helps the kids learn where to place their foot when stomping on the board. Cover the rest of the board with the same technique used on the other end of the board, and secure the duct tape with a horizontal piece of tape. For the last step, cut 2 half pieces of duct tape and make an X at the very end of the board. This helps identify where to place the beanbag when launching. Your Stomp and Catch board is now complete and ready to use. Have fun!